All right, we are here with Steve, getting his 4th EBOO treatment. He's been feeling amazing, right?
Yeah, feel good.
What's the biggest thing you've noticed?
My blood's no longer different colors. It's the same color.
Yeah.
So look at the
That's
lines.
actually really cool. So I'm going to show you how this works. What we have here is one line that is leaving Steve's body and another line that is going back in after it's been treated. So the coloration that Steve is talking about is that on his first couple, the blood was far different. The outline was very, very dark, and the inline was this nice strawberry color. Get the color difference. That's actually a cool picture. And now you can see that both of them are pretty much the same color. Pretty crazy. So this outline comes out of his body, comes up to the EBOO machine. That's a pump right there. And then it's going into this inverted dialysis filter. This is not filtering the blood. What it's doing is there's ozone entering here, and it's going in and it's diffusing the ozone across the filter folds so that it is ozonating the blood. One of the things that is very interesting about this whole procedure is this. This is byproduct, this froth, this liquid. This has not been researched heavily to understand what's in it, but it will change from treatment to treatment, from person to person, so it's really interesting. Steve today is a major froth producer. This is a lot. He has not produced this much froth before, so that's super interesting. And then after it's been ozonated, then it's coming back through this other line, and then it's getting exposed to light. That's the tube in there, getting all sorts of beneficial light. Those the hemoglobin on the red blood cells are transforming in there, and then that is exiting the machine, and then that line is going back into his body, and then magic. Anything else you want to add there, champ?
I do have a lot more. The first time the liquid in the froth bucket was just a little, not a little bit, but about a fourth of what it was this second and third time. And then this time it's probably going to be a lot more because that froth was coming out of that bucket
Like immediately.
20 minutes in, it was shooting out of there. So
Yeah, so it's very interesting.